Okay. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi, Dave. You know what, Dave? I wish you all the best in life. And then, when I first met you, ang ganda ng feelings ko sa'yo. And then, I just hope na no matter what happens, I'm always here for you. Jovi.
Hello, Dave. 18. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for being so nice. Bye. Happy birthday, Dave.
Baliktad.
Baliktad. Sorry. Wish you all the best. Sana maging mas mabait ka pa. And thank you for the friendship. Jane. Happy birthday, Jane. Thank you for being the wonderful person that you are. God bless you always.
Hello, Dean. Thank you for everything and wish you all the best. Bye.
Hey, Miga. Sorry. Ropa kay Kawa. Regards na ko. Happy birthday, Day. Wish many birthdays to come. I love you.
Hey, Dave! You're my meant to be, right? So, pinakit sa Cebu, ha? Ang speech ko, doon na, okay? Basta, that's this, friendship, here, ha? Not here. Linya kayo. Ay, ikaw beto niya ito. Asa yung kaisa? Gunito na lang. Saan na ibon? Hawakin niyo. Okay? Ayusin niyo. Okay, Dane, so, ikaw dito kami nagpa-practice. So, this is for you, okay? Thanks for the friendship, Dane. Sadali lang, ha? Sadali niyo. Okay? Everyday ako nag-milk, ha? Okay. Talikod. Basta ambak, ha? Ready for the last time? Go! Jovit!
Happy day.
Okay, Christy.
Birthday, Dave. Hi.
Then Bon.
Happy birthday.
And then...
For the friendship.
Okay, stop!